Good morning. Good morning. Yes, that's me. That's me. That's me.
And
That's
then we
me.
stand up. Definitely high.
Oh, that's a breakfast.
Yes.
The hotel has been very kind, and since we are leaving early, they have prepared the breakfast and just prepared in a box so we can have it in the car. Really good. Really good. So kind of them. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to the Lempuyang Temple, the gate of heaven in Bali. So we started very early. We woke up at 3:30 a.m. and we started at 4:30. So it's been raining cats and dogs. The Lempuyang Temple is a small temple, but it's kind of very important to the local Balinese culture and their tradition. People usually go there to take the pictures. So we actually started early to catch the golden light, the morning sunrise there. I heard the pictures at that time is the best pictures. We have been driving for more than an hour, so I think we are close to the temple, not far away. Perhaps another 15 to 20 minutes we'll be reaching the Lempuyang Temple. I just hope that we don't have to queue very long time. Although we have to queue, we definitely have to queue, but I hope we don't have to queue for very long. So it's 6 in the morning. We just reached the Lempuyang Temple, and there are still so many cars here in the parking lot. So that means people are queuing up ahead of me.
Lebihan je.
The people.
Yes.
100 for. So this is your ticket entrance. The ticket also get queue number for waiting take a picture between the gate.
This is my queue number, right?
Yeah.
It's still fine. So the way to Lempuyang Temple are pretty steep. These are the guidelines when you are visiting Lempuyang Temple, so you can pause the video and take a look. So actually we came here to see the sunrise.
Yes.
And that's what we got. The entire place is like cloudy and foggy, and I think we need to wait for another hour to get our turn to shoot the pictures.